Hello friends! Do you want to know which graphics card is working in your PC? Not an issue. It is as simple as you can think, but first of all, let's see. What is graphic card and what is its job in your PC? A graphic card is an expansion card for your PC that is responsible for rendering image to display high-end GPS are used for gaming, ray tracing, graphic production, and even mining cryptocurrency. Here is a brief overview of everything you need to know about graphics cards. So, let's check that which graphics card is working in our computer. So, let's go to our computer screen. Open. Go to Device Manager. Click on Display Adapters, and below this graphics card name is showing Intel HD graphics card name. It was first way to check which graphic card is working in your PC. Now, I am going to tell you the second way. Just click on Display Setting. Click on Advanced Display Setting. Just click on this. This is the name of your graphics card in other format, and below this its type and specs are written. So, these are the two ways to check for graphics card name. Thanks for watching. Bye.